This is question number 18 in the June 2014 non-calculator paper. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward from the question itself. As you read it, it says solve the simultaneous equations, right? So this question is almost, well, it is pretty much giving you a heading, telling you exactly what topic it is, and you should know exactly what to do. So I'm going to call that equation 1. I'm going to call that equation 2. I'm going to focus on the y's. Okay, so over here I have 1y and I have 3y. All right, if we follow the method that you should have learned or thought about, I'm going to times equation 1 by the number in front of y in equation 2, which is 3, and I'm going to times equation 2 by the number in front of y in equation 1, which in this case is 1 and wouldn't make any difference at all. So let's see what happens. When we times equation 1 by 3, 4 times 3 is 12, so I get 12x, plus 1y times 3 is 3y, and 25 times 3 is 75. Make sure you times every single term by 3. Okay, the second equation is going to remain pretty much the same, where you times in by 1, so that's minus 3y, and that's 16. Okay, now we need to do two things. Focus on the signs and stop. Stop tells us what to do next. Same, take away. If these signs are same, I'm going to take away. If they're opposite, I'm going to plus. So this is a plus, positive. This is a negative. They're opposite, so I'm going to add the two equations. Okay, now when you write these equations down, try to make sure the x's are under the x, the y's is on the y's. Try to line up the equal signs and put the numbers down as well, because it helps at this stage. Because I'm going to add, I'm going to do 12x plus x, which is 13x, plus 3y added to minus 3y. They cancel each other out, and that was the whole point of getting those the same. And 75 plus 16, 75, 85, 91. Okay, so now I need to do 91 divided by 13 to try to work out what that should be. 91 divided by 13. And if you're stuck, if you're not sure, then work your way up, right? So write down 13s or the 13s times table as you go on. So I could do that. However, well, I actually go through this. 13, 26, 39, add on another 13, 49, 52, add on another 13, that's 65, 65, 75, 78, add on another 13, 88, 91. Actually, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 91 divided by 13 is 7. So x is equal to 7. So I've worked out my x value. I could write that in the answer space, and I'm going to write that down at the end. I'm going to work out y now, because you have to work out both x and y in a simultaneous equation. I'm going to pick the first equation, number 1. This one here, 4x plus y is equal to 25. Make sure you've written it down correctly. Some people actually go through all the work and they miscopy this. So do take your time as you're writing it in. We know that x is equal to 7. So 4x, that means 4 times 7, because I know x is equal to 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So I've got 28 plus y is equal to 25. I need to get rid of that 28. That's positive 28 right now. So the opposite of that is minus 28. Y is going to be 25 minus 28 is minus 3. And that is my answer for y. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I'm going to write those two answers for x and y in the answer space. I'm going to indicate that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay, these are very common questions in your exam. Make sure you do know how to do it, make sure you understand it, and make sure you can actually work it out and have techniques for solving the maths. Okay,